Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to know more about this braiding wig, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay y'all, so the braiding wig that I will be wearing I got from Sazzy Hair, and as you can see, this beautiful braiding wig, I believe it's a 13x6 handmade braiding wig. And yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna put this wig on and pretty much secure it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so right now I am gonna pretty much secure this wig with a little bit of Got To Be freeze spray. I didn't plan on keeping the wig on for long, so I decided to tack it down with some Got To Be spray. And once I'm done that, I'm pretty much just going to tie it up and let the Got To Be spray dry, and then I'll come back and cut the lace off the wig. Okay guys, now that the Got To Be spray is dry, I am going to cut the lace off the wig. And once I'm done cutting the lace off, I'll be back to create my baby hairs. Okay guys, so for my baby hairs, I did have to pluck the baby hair hair in the front that's for the baby hairs because the hair was just a tad bit too thick. And y'all know how I am when it comes to my baby hairs. I'm really particular about how my baby hairs look, because again, if your baby hair look trash, your wig will look trash. So you definitely have to make your baby hair look natural. It has to look natural, like it's your real edges. So yeah, so I definitely had to pluck that hair a little bit to make it a little thinner. And once I did that, I pretty much took and cut the hair to the length, and then I will be creating my baby hairs using some Got To Be gel. Okay guys, so now I'm done with my baby hairs. I'm going to take the top of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around and put it in a bun. You definitely can leave this hair down also, but I prefer it in a bun. And yeah, you guys, once I'm done with that, I am going to take a little makeup and put it on the lace to kind of blend it a little bit with my skin, which I really didn't need it because the wig looks so natural, you guys. And yeah guys, once I'm done that, here is the finished look of the wig. Definitely let me know your thoughts on, this wig. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to present this beautiful, and I mean beautiful baby, this beautiful braiding wig that I got from Sazzy Hair. And I tell you, I am feeling real sassy right now with this wig on. I am so loving this braiding wig, you guys. So yeah, Sazzy Hair, I pretty much reached out to them and asked them could I review one of their braiding wigs on my channel, and she agreed. And now I have this beautiful braiding wig. And you guys, the wig, when she sent it to me, it came super duper quick. And yeah, you guys, when I got it, it was really pretty. And I have to admit, when I got it, it had a little more of the curly hair in there, but I did cut out a lot of the curly hair. As you can see, I cut out a lot of it. And you guys, it had nothing to do with the company in the wig. It's just that I preferred less hair because it was just too much of the curly hair for me, and I am not one to like really thick hair, and I just felt that it was just too much, and I pretty much cut them out. And I still of course left a little bit in there, but yeah, so I did cut a lot of that out. But for as that, you guys, this hair is the bomb. You hear me? This hair is beautiful. As you can see, it looks so natural. Look at that, so natural. And you guys, this is my first, of course, braiding wig from a company. I made my own braiding wigs, but this is my first braiding wig from a company, and I have to give kudos to Sazzy Hair because this braiding wig is on point, baby. And I can tell you, I will be wearing this wig a lot. You hear me? A lot. But yeah, you guys, so as you seen in the video, I did just put this glue down with the Got To Be freeze spray because I wasn't going to be keeping it on that long. And I must say, this wig is beautiful, but at the same time it's pretty heavy because, you know, the braids on the wig is heavy. But overall, you guys, I am loving this wig. Thank you, Sazzy Hair, for sending the wig to me. And yeah, you guys, I am going to put all the information down in the description bar about this wig and where you can purchase this wig from, and also the Instagram of Sazzy Hair. I'll put it down in the description bar and up here on the screen. You guys, please go follow them on Instagram, and definitely go purchase this wig because it's the bomb. If you guys are looking for the perfect summer, winter, spring wig, this wig is the bomb. If you guys are ones that don't like to sit down and get your hair braided and you just want to throw on a quick wig, then this wig is your wig. So definitely go over to Sazzy Hair and purchase this wig. And yeah, you guys, that's all I pretty much had to say about this wig. It's beautiful. It was easy to apply it, and I am happy about this wig. And as you can see, you guys, I have it up in a bun right now, but you can take it down and leave it like on the side if you prefer, or you can put it up into a bun. I prefer it up in a bun, but you can do it either way. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. And that's it, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.